In the Impromptu challenge, students work individually. They get a topic selected at random, and they have about a minute to get prepared. Then they have to stand up at the front of the room and talk about that topic for 2 minutes. It's well known that public speaking is most people's most feared thing, and students have to deal with the stress of having a very short time to prepare and thinking of really good ideas. So it's completely different from other challenges where they've had a chance to read and get prepared. There are judges giving scores on the content, delivery, and language. We love this challenge because it balances the other things that we do in Owlypia. This is a chance for every student to show their own individuality and put their own spin on the topic.